and we see how you can make $1,000 a month just chatting with lonely people. So if someone is charging, like Emily, we are going to be seeing, is charging $5 per minute to charge someone. So suppose she chats someone for 10 minutes a day. That means she earns $50. And if at all she chats 50 minutes in a day, that means she gets $250 in a day. So $250 in a day. And if she decides to say, I'm going to chat in a week, I'm going to chat 5 days, that means she'll be earning $750 per week. So $750 per week multiplied by 4 weeks, it goes to how much? Let's dive in and see how these people, and how you can earn money chatting online with people who are lonely, or people who want to get your attention, people who don't want to get their secrets, or they want even advice from strangers. You know, these days most people have turned social media as the place to leak secrets. So even your friends, you cannot trust them. That's why you see a lot of friendship has broken down. Now let's go down and see. We have Amilo. Amilo is here. He charges 0.5 per minute. That is the lowest. But we have also another person who is Sashi. Saisa charges $1. I mean $0.1. Then we have others. Let me go and look for you somebody who is charging 5 and 10. We have Taifa. We have someone from Kenya is charging $10, and we have also people from almost everywhere. Everybody has his own tag. You can have your own tag. Osama is charging 0.3 to 1.50 per minute. How much do you want to charge to sell your conversation? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady who says that phone that you're holding in your hands can make you have an income. An income, when I say an income, I don't mean joking money. It's up to you if you change your mindset. So we are bringing for you this website, the website that you can talk to people on video call, on Messenger. You can even talk to people on just chatting, and you earn money. What you need to know, you're going to need to know, you're going to need what to do from this video. What you do, just to watch till the end. In this video, you expect to see or to understand how to access this website and what is this website. The second thing you need to know, how to set up this website. The third element is, how do I withdraw this money? This money, is it worth withdrawing, or it's not worth withdrawing? So let's dive in and see which website is this. This website is called Rent a Cyber Friend. Rent a Cyber Friend is one of the beautiful, legit. I know some of you are going to say, Christine, is this legit? Most people have been giving us website, most people have been giving us platforms, and they end up the scam. But this one is not a scam. People have used it. Yes, me, I've just registered it for the purpose of teaching you, but my friends, my associates have been using it. So go ahead, it is very free. Go ahead and start. When you go to your browser, by the way, you can use it only on your mobiles and at the same time on your PCs. You don't need to give your calling number. No, you use only your platform. So what you do, go to your gadget, right there, the word Rent a Cyber Friend. When you put Rent a Cyber Friend, a search interface will come. The first interface that is going to come is going to show you that you can make money from this. Then it is going to give you the qualifications or the terms and conditions on the first interface. 1, you should be above 18 years. 2, you should be loving what you want to do, or you should be loving your job, because that is going to be your job. Then the last, you should make sure that you have internet connection, because this one is always on internet connection, and it needs your phone or your gadgets to keep open. So let's see how you can dive in and start making money. When I'm talking about money, I'm not talking about $1, $2. I always tell you, it's up to you to sit down and say, how much do I need to make? The same applies to any job you want to take. You sit and decide, do I want to take this job or do I want? If you take the job, how do you want to increase your amount of money? You put strategies. So this Rent a Friend is one of the beautiful cyber platform that you can sit down and say, no, I'm a person who can do customer care, because these days, by the way, the customer care services, that's why they want you to be in the right moment, in the right modes, love what you do, and always be positive. So I categorize it in that form of customer service. You leave whatever you want to feel outside, just focus on your customers. Now, when we go here, you are supposed to sign up. Me, I've already signed up, so it's very hard for me to show you, but you can see on the interface how it looks like. So here, when you go to Rent a Friend, you make sure that you fill the form of sign up. When you scroll the interface down, you're going to find there to fill the form for you to sign up. If you've already signed up, you sign in. Like me now, if I log off, like right now, I go and sign in. When I sign in, I'm going to put my credentials. So now for you, since you are signing up, 1, you need your email. 2, you need your names. 3, you need the password. Then whenever you put their password and the names and everything, you are going to be given an account. When you're given an account, of course they want you to be authentic, and you have to make sure you show that this real is your email. They'll send a code to your email, and you go and confirm that this is your email. The moment you finish confirming, you are going to be redirected and taken to your account. You can go ahead and sign in, or you can first stop there. So when you finish signing in, you are going to go and set your account. How do you set your account? Your account is set in different ways, but this is major one. You have to make sure you have your profile picture. Your profile picture, they need only your face. Me, I put with people, and like they rejected it, they need only your face. 2, they don't need your phone number. 3, after your face, they're going to ask about your category that you want to be in. Like, for example, they have different categories. Is it music? Is it dancing? Is it this? You will see them, it is in the Dropbox. Then from there, they will even also show you the amount of money, and you do the selection. That is where you take charge. If you put $5, if you put $2, if you put $1, that one, it means it's up to you. So from that interface, you go straight away and fill up who you are. Always, people want to know you, and that first introduction matters a lot. So if you know you're a straight lady, as far as there's something that you give, there's something that you want, that's where you're supposed to write it, and it has some restricted number of words. You put it there. Then from there, you now officially go and submit. You're authentic now. Immediately as you submit, you will be a member of Get a Friend or Accept Calls or anything. You'll be gone direct to this interface, like my interface right now. I know you cannot see it, but you can see it on your screen there. So what you do there are some things that you need to know. You need to know that for you to receive calls, for you to receive messages, you have to let your gadget remain on. Remain on in terms of internet, and also don't shut it down. Then when you don't shut it down, you can put you want to accept calls. When you put accept calls, there are millions of people who are there. Like this one, they say, please keep this page open to see incoming calls. If you're to see incoming calls, it means you have to be attentive there. That's where I came in and said, if you want to make $1,000 in a month, you have to make strategies. You have to put time for it. You'll not put only 2 minutes and you get the $1,000. But if you put enough time, you'll get the $1,000. Then on this, let's go down. On this, you will be ready to start your conversation. If you see me here, I have 00 because I didn't do anything. I did this for purposes, the teaching purposes. Like for example, you can see what they want. You can also go ahead, if you want, for this message you put your number, but this number is not distributed or given to customers or people who want to chat with you. No, you can also put a disclaimer. You want a certain kind of people to chat with you in which field. When they never people hear about talking or maybe chatting online, they'll think other things. No, it is up to you to take responsibility of yourself. That's why they need more than 18 years. From there, I'm very sure you're going to ask me, then Christine, how do I get my money? To get your money, let me go and show you. You have two different ways of withdrawing your money. The most common one is PayPal, whereby I know some of you have an issue